Hey, another unboxing. This is something that I was really looking forward to get, and I spent a lot of time for getting one for a decent price, and I eventually got lucky, and here it is. Yeah, you can't see it right now what it is, but it's a Sanyo dual cam, ACC-CG10. Correct name is VPC-CG10. This is still being sold for 129 euros, even though it's a product that came out in 2009. I got this off from eBay for 46.53. I'd say that's a pretty good price, especially if you know that this was originally bought at the 9th of August last year, so it's just like 8 months old. The person who sold it shipped it Wednesday afternoon at about like 3:30, and the surprising thing is it was here in less than a day. It was here on Thursday at 1:00 p.m. I mean, that's awesome. It was standard delivery, insured delivery, but no express, no nothing, just awesome fast. I've not opened it yet, so I'm really curious what's inside and if everything is there that should be in it. Yeah. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Okay, this is original device. 3 years warranty from manufacturer. Manual. Oh, this is the only English. It's information languages. Display. This is something like an AV cable, the USB cable, the charger for the battery, another manual, German. A lot of manuals in this box. Now the interesting thing, the cam itself. It has a cover for the lens. Looks clean. The whole thing looks clean and feels like brand new. Hope the battery is inside of it. Yeah. Here's the battery in. I think I get another one for when I'm on my way outside. Okay, let's see what happens. Nothing. Either this is broken or the battery is empty. I hope the latter one. Yeah, it actually works. See?
Store to the internal memory.
Oh, it talks. Interesting. Nice. Okay. I will have conversations with that lady. Okay, but I think that's it. I know this was kind of long, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, like the video. If you like the video in general, subscribe my channel. Thanks for that. Bye.